How to reset or retry Fiverr account password. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to recover your Fiverr account quickly and easily. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and go to the fiverr.com, or you can simply search for recover Fiverr password on Google. Now, simply tap on the first result, and once you see the interface like this, simply enter the email address linked to your Fiverr account, and the Fiverr will send you the login link to your email. So simply click on it to access your account. And now, once you are logged in with your Fiverr account, simply click on your user icon, and from the pop-up menu, simply click on settings. And once you are in the settings section, under the account settings, simply select security. Now in this section, simply look for the set password option, and here you can simply enter a new password and confirm it. And once you're done with that, you can simply click on save changes. And also make sure your password is at least 8 characters long and includes uppercase and lowercase letters and contains numbers for better security. And that's it. That's how you can recover your Fiverr account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.